So here we have a Raleigh that I have been lent, folding, electric, 250 watt motor, e-bike. Now this one's a bit different to mine in that it behaves a bit differently, and I must say it's very nicely refined. I'll do a proper walkthrough in a bit, but I just wanted to show you it working. So I'll turn it on. Okay, it's in pedal assist 3, it's probably a bit much. It's got grip shift, as you can see. Oh, the pedal's folded, hold on, there we go. And straight away, we're away quite quickly and easily with hardly any effort, really, as you might expect. It's a level road, and yeah, it's lovely. It's really lovely. It's Raleigh quality, I must say. It does make a difference. This one's built in Nottingham, I think it says. It responds incredibly quickly when you start pedaling, and it also stops incredibly quickly with its pedal assist, which is quite reassuring. And you just touch the brakes and it stops giving you power. And yeah, it works in a different way to the Carrera in that this one, if you choose to, you can get more exercise. Because it seems to deliver the power in a more natural way. So it will give you it's hard to explain, but you give it a bit of effort, it matches it. You give it a bit more effort, it matches that. In any of the pedal assists, the only one where you can just simply turn your legs like you can on the Carrera is setting number 4, which I'll do now. So this is 3 and 4. So the faster I turn the pedals, the faster I'm going. And we did take it out for a ride the other day, and side by side, turning your legs as fast as you can on pedal assist to maximum, this bike is faster than the Carrera. But the feel of it is a bit superior to my bike. Okay, I'm going to slow it down because that's actually quite quick. And also the wind noise I'm worried about. Even though I've got one of these dead rats or whatever they're called on my microphone, I hope that's working very well. Yeah, what can I say? This one's got a little phone mount. Well, I'm recording on my phone at the moment on my chest, so I can't use that. It's got the obligatory bell. Yeah, folds much the same way as the Carrera does. I'll go through the features later, showing you what I like about it. So as you can see, I'm on a forest track. It's like hard packed gravel mixed with dirt and twigs, the occasional rock, as you might see. Oh, ouch, from the camera shaking, sorry about that. But you know, it lets you come to places where you probably wouldn't. The fact that you've got pedal assist again is really, really nice. You don't have to use it. This one, look, I don't know if you can see that. I can turn it down to 0, so it's still switched on, but it's not giving me any pedal assist. So on these flat bits, you can literally not use it and save your battery if you want to. But yeah, you know, the small wheels again on the rougher surface, absolutely fine. 20-inch wheels, they're not 16, so it does make a difference. So this is as good a place as any to go through the bike. Right, so it's got really reflective tyres. I like that, safe. It's got automatic lights, which are really actually quite bright. I tested them, they're adjustable. They're LED, really good. The sensor, in case you are thinking of getting one of these, is this little tiny thing here. That little window, which senses the light. So if you do actually want them on, say there's cars coming, you can just put your thumb over it. You know, your thumb is there, yeah? And then hopefully, no, it's not on at the moment, but it's also got a rear light that's built in. It's got mudguard deflectors, which I really like. That does make a difference. That's these things here. The mudguards are plastic, which is a shame. It's got another deflector there as well, which really does make a difference in wet conditions. Stops it spraying straight onto your chain. The battery is a slot in behind the seat jobby, but really quite a smart looking bike. You know, as bikes go, folding bikes is not bad. It's a step through. I let my mum, who's in her 70s, who is, you know, is able-bodied, but, you know, getting older, she stepped through it absolutely fine. Whereas on the Carrera, she couldn't actually get her leg through the crossbar because it curves upwards. I personally prefer that, but for her it was difficult. What else can I tell you about it? Handlebars fold down much the same as the Carrera, same there. You've also got the adjustable height, yeah, height in the handlebars, which is on a quick release. The pedal assist goes from 0 to 4 being the highest. You can turn it off by holding it down, I think. Yeah, there you go. To turn it on, it's just a single push. I like it a lot. I like this colour a lot, with the orange and the black. Made in Nottingham, really nice quality parts. Rear rack, as you can see, but it's got one of these bags on the back which opens out into side panniers on the back as well. Lovely, really nice gel seat, really nice and squishy. Folding pedals, the pedals fold by pulling this little lever in and then they tilt. Nice and oiled up, clips in again. Thing I've noticed as well is it's got a USB port there. Now that looks like a micro USB or a mini USB. I don't know whether that's, don't really see what the point of that is, but at least it's there. To charge it is behind the, no, not there, it's behind here as a charger, obviously, with the usual, well, not the usual, but some multi pointed, all weatherproof, really good. So yeah, I've been riding this a little while now, and in conclusion, you can ride this a lot more like a normal bike, okay? In that it will give you the power subtly. It freewheels a lot better. It actually doesn't feel like you're riding an electric bike. There's literally zero resistance in the rear electric motor. I'm whizzing along, I don't know what speed I'm doing obviously, but it feels like I'm riding a bike with 29-inch wheels. It really does. It gives you the power subtly. Yeah, I've said this before. It gives it to you subtly, as if you have more power in your legs than you think you do. Whereas the Carrera that I own, it gives it all to you, and it's more a case of the power assist levels are more a case of giving you more speed, whereas this one gives you just a bit more help. It's much better. It's actually much better. So yeah, that's really good. With my Carrera, with pedal assist, it doesn't matter what level you're on, 1, 2 or 3, it feels like any pushing on the pedals that you do, you're just helping the electric motor, you're helping the bike not use quite so much power with any amount of pressure you put on the pedals as you turn them. If you just turn them and put no pressure on them, then it skims along, you know, really nicely. It's a good bike, don't get me wrong, it's a really nice bike, but you can choose how much you push. Beautiful.